Hi guys, just Janice, and this is the Thursday train. I am redoing this for the second time because I thought I had my camera on. I was talking away, doing everything, but I'll just let you know what I did. This is chipboard. It is a light bulb chipboard. It actually looks a little bit like this when it started. It was 2 pieces instead of 3. I put decoupage paper on it with decoupage glue. I don't know where I got the paper. It was a gift, and I crumpled it up a little bit, but I pulled it so I could show you. I will put this down in the link. Put the link to that down in my description. But this is what it looks like so far. But I'm also going to add this. A butterfly. I'm going to probably flip this over, put the butterfly in, and put the light bulb. I'm going to add some things, but I'm going to add some decoupage paper to the butterfly. This one is from the Stamperia collection. So I'm going to be using this one on the butterfly. I will show you what I do with the decoupage glue, with the rice paper, and yeah, we're going to keep going. So let's go. Okay, really quick to get it off the edges, and even how I did this piece, because I put it solid over that when I do the rice paper. You can go around the edge with a wet paintbrush, or if I do that, sometimes I pull it away from the board. But what I'll do is I'll just go in with my little handy dandy little, it has both sides are rough, and it's like sandpaper, and it comes right off, and I just take it right off to get in the little cracks and crevices. You can use something like this, but physically I cannot stand the sound that the fingernail file makes. So I can either pop this off, and I can get in the little edges there, or I just grab 220 sandpaper, go in and get around the edges, and ta-da, that's what it does. So let's keep going. Okay, it looks a little different. I put some pieces on. I will put pieces on, take them off sometimes. Sometimes I just put a piece on and just leave it and just build from there. I'm not close to being done, but I had some chipboard little light bulbs that I added in different spots. Used the waxes on some of the flowers, and have some greens I used on the leaves. And yeah, I just started adding pieces. They're all glued down. Everything's sturdy. I put some pearls in to match the white back there. So we're just going to keep going. I'm going to glue some more stuff down. And yeah, we're going to add a little bit of layers, and then we're going to add some few finishing touches. And so let's keep going. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to call this one done and done. The butterfly, the light bulb is the body, the Mitform pieces is the antennae. I put a lot of steampunk pieces and highlighted with some white and gold and copper. And keep looking where the light shines bright. There's tiny little things, because the little things do matter. And a tip, and to let you guys know why I do some of the things I do, and there is a method to my madness. I learned a long, long time ago that our eyes are drawn the way we read. We read, a lot of us, from left to right. So we want our higher piece, even when you hang things on your wall, you want your higher piece on the left and have your eyes drawn down to the right. I do this in everything, my fluid art, my alcohol inks, and you'll see I pull things down. I have my focal point. On this one it's wider. This is the supporting cast. And yeah, there's just different reasons why I do what I do and why I add the layers that I add. And I hope it's okay. I hope that you guys see what I see, and it's all right. I wanted to show you real quick. Even in my alcohol ink, I do that. Start high to low. This one's upside down. Do the higher, draw down. This piece, there's the focal point, and everything starts high and goes down low, the added pieces. But yeah, that's just one small tip, because people ask me why I do what I do and why I put pieces where I put them. But yes, some of the products I use, I will put in the description. I'll try and find links as to where I found them. These heavier pieces, they are Mitform. I'll try to find them. And yeah, this is part of the Thursday train. So it started off with Gert Creates and Dave from Dave's Acrylic Creations, Julie from Art by Julie E., and Corey and Adrian from Art's Really Cool. They will be in the lineup somewhere, or maybe they won't. If it's just we have a Thursday train and we attach the cars as the week goes. So yeah. So wherever you are, I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Bye.